As, because, or since. As, because, and since are conjunctions. As, because, and since all introduce subordinate clause. They connect the result of something with its reason. Look at this sentence: result and reason. He decided to go to the conference in Delhi as he was in Delhi anyway. Are you angry with me because I broke the box? Sachin coaches his team by cell phone since half of them play in Italy, France, and Spain. Because is more common than as and since, both in writing and speaking. When we use because, we are focusing on the reason. Example: the teacher spoke quietly because she did not want me to hear. We can use a because clause on its own without the main clause in speaking or informal writing. Arun: would you like to go to school in Chennai? Tara: yes. Arun: why? Tara: because my best friend goes there. We don't use a because clause on its own in formal writing. So, when you want to give a reason, you can use because, as, and since.